Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are giving away one of the items in here. I don't even know which one yet. I'm not even quite sure if I saw spoilers on these yet, and most of the time I'm pretty good about finding you guys spoilers out. So this is the June Macy's Beauty Box. We're going to be unboxing this and, like I said, giving away one of the products to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Natasha Denona Coral palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed and on the giveaway that the video is announced, there's a Google form link. You need to fill that out. Somewhere in this video for this giveaway is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, and it's these three shades right here. So Macy's is a beauty box. There's usually a makeup bag, maybe sometimes some sort of tool. There is a $5 to $10 off coupon that you can use at the Macy's beauty counter, either online or in the physical store itself. And there's 5 to 6 beauty products, makeup, skincare. A lot of times they put in fragrance, little samples. It is $15 a month, and let's find out what is in here. Oh, what do you guys think of the new background? Trying something a little different. Let me know in the comments down below. Everything comes neatly wrapped in tissue paper. There's a $10 off code this time. I'm definitely gonna need to use that. There's something that I really need to get, which you'll see in a future video. So it says it does have a $64.14 value. And most of these are sample sizes, so take it for what it is. The Creme de la Creme Best in Show, no matter what you call it. These coveted skincare, makeup, and hair picks are total add to wish list finds. I'm thinking about doing a video, speaking of wish lists, of like my top 8, top 10 wish lists, like eyeshadow palettes. Let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in. So here, instead of a makeup bag or a tool, they come basically like this pill box. It says beauty supplements. And this would be great for traveling. There's 3 different compartments on each side. So this is really cool. Let me know if you guys are starting to travel yet or not, or kind of what you're doing. The first item in here is from Lancome. It's Advanced Gentle Feed Youth Activating Serum. Give some props to this pro-aging elixir filled with ultra-hydrated blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and ceramides that visibly improves radiance in just 7 days. A week to glowy skin. Sign us up. Full size does retail for $198. Clarins New Total Eye Lift Concentrate. Dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles be gone. No, it's not magic. It's a powerful formula of 94% plant-based powerhouse ingredients that visibly lift, firm, and brighten in the blink of an eye. Full size does retail for $89. And then here's kind of what the inner packaging looks like. Detox Dry Shampoo, truly the best of both worlds. This clarifying formula not only removes oils and impurities, from your hair, but also increases moisture to prevent dryness and breakage, also known as your hair will shine brighter than the sun. Full size does retail for $23. How to use spray in the roots, let it dry, and brush through. I do love the dry bar products that I've tried so far. Guys, these things are amazing. I love when they send these. So this is the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Line Erasing Night Serum. Have you met your skincare working the night shift? While you're sleeping, ceramides work with your skin to replenish and reinforce the moisture barrier. That plus wrinkles smoothing peptides make a mighty serum. Full size does retail for $107. How to use: apply 1 capsule to clean skin before bed. These things are amazing. There's probably about 7 capsules in this sample size. You got a MAC Fix Plus. It is the Prep and Prime Fix Plus from MAC. MAC's cult favorite multitasker is making an appearance. This holy grail of hydrating mist infused with green tea and chamomile can be used to set a look, improve the wear of makeup, and soothe tired skin. Full size does retail for $29. How to use: spray into finished makeup look for a boost of hydration. It kind of looks like this. I love this setting spray. You guys, here's some Giorgio Armani Beauty Lip Mastero Liquid Lipstick in Casual Pink. 3 things you get from an award-winning lipstick: intense color, a perfect matte finish, and a formula that doesn't turn your lips into a desert. Yes, please, because a lot of the liquid lips I tried do that, even if I put a balm underneath. This smooth, non-drying formula lasts up to 8 hours. Full size does retail for $38. How to use: contour and fill with both applicators for a bold look. Kind of looks like this shade. I'm not going to open it because I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. Because not only am I giving away something in here, I'm starting to set aside stuff for our, I want to do kind of a bigger one for our 1,500 subscriber, which should hopefully be right around the same time as that we get this monetized. Hopefully, I'm like 150 hours away from getting this monetized. And then I got to keep it up, and so hopefully to bring in more money so I can do big giveaways for you, because I have a huge one planned, but I've got to have this channel start bringing in some money before I can do that. So if you can help me out with the watch time hours, that would be great. Guys, this is one of my favorite perfumes. This is the Ralph Lauren Romance Eau de Perfume. Since wearing white is encouraged during the summer, while florals are our best fit. Light, delicate hints of rose and jasmine, balanced notes of mandarin and pink pepper for a sweet scent with a perfect depth. Dreamy indeed. Full size does retail for $98. How to use: spritz in the morning for an all-day wear. Let's get a little spritzy. Guys, I love this one. It's just so light and delicate, and I really like that. Then also from Ralph Lauren is their Deep Blue Eau de Perfume. Get a little fresh with fragrance designed to feel like diving headfirst into waves of crisp citrus and island scents. This feature, Krista Fizz, is an exclusive ingredient inspired by the ocean. Who knew paradise can be bottled? Full size does retail for $105. How to use: spritz in the morning for all day wear. I don't know, is this like a guy's kind of cologne? But it's a perfume. Let's give it a little spritz this way. I would say it's definitely more of a guy scent. I like it. It's really light and refreshing. What I do for my guy's cologne is I save it, and put it for Christmas presents for I just kind of save all the colognes that I get and kind of give them a little sampler pack come either Christmas or the birthdays or something like that. Secret word, summer. So I really, really liked this box. I think they stepped it up by far. Love it. I love that they're starting to put makeup back in. I wish that they would put more of it in. Let's do for a giveaway that Max Fix Plus. I have so many setting sprays right now that I need to go through. So I'm happy to pass this on to one of you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed. Also put on it that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you. Is this open internationally? I am, though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. So let's have this giveaway go through July 16th. Then on July 17th, we'll do our little spin the wheel where we pick the winner. So what I do is I put, your privacy is very important to me. So I just put in and get the information from the Google Forms, your first name and first initial of your last name. I'll put that on the Google Forms. If you have bonus entries, I'll put those into the computer as well. How you get bonus entries. If you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. If you follow me on Twitter, that gets you an extra bonus entry too. It is beauty AMA B followed by the number 1. So like I said, let's have this giveaway go through July 16th, and then on the 21st, we'll do that little spin the wheel. That's how right now I'm announcing the winners. I've got some changes in the back of my mind that I'm thinking about doing. Please only fill that Google form out once. I do not put that secret word in the comment section down below. On that Google form, you can check mark if you've done the extra bonus entries, but I do check. And if you check mark that you did and you're trying to basically scam the system, then I'm going to delete, and you didn't do those items, then I'm going to delete your entry and you will be banned from all future giveaways and from this one as well. So make sure that everybody's just on board and everybody's being really cool about it, okay? Please. I invite you to be subscribed. We're such a fun, easy, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell, mark that to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those, so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I love spoiling my subscribers. It makes me so happy when I can kind of give back in just a little way to say thank you, like this, or in some big ones that are coming up. I've got kind of a medium one that I'm about ready to film next, so that should be up shortly. That was in honor of our 1,400th subscriber, but like I said, I've got a big one for our 1,500th subscriber and getting this monetized, hopefully all in one for you. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.